Hey my friend, this is my 50th video. I can't believe we are already at 50. Tell me in comments what's your favorite recipe so far. Start with skinless drumstick meat. Slice them into thin strips. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder and a pinch of Italian herbs, 1 gram black pepper, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon water. Mix everything really well. Then slightly spray with oil and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Cut your cheddar slices in half. Julienne the red and green bell peppers, so they are about the same thickness as the chicken. Oh no, my onion died out. It's fine, we will work with it. Slice half an onion. Heat a pan over medium heat and spray in about half a tablespoon of oil. Add the onions and sauté until fragrant. Then add the chicken and cook until it changes color. Remove from the pan and set aside. Take a thawed frozen paratha. Layer on the bell peppers. Then the cooked chicken. Your favorite sauce. I'm using spicy mayo. And top it with the cheddar slices. Fold it into a tight rectangle. Back to the pan over medium heat. Spray in another half tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the wrap. Cook it slowly. When one side is golden and cooked through, flip it. Use a spatula to cook all 6 sides evenly. When every side is beautifully golden brown, it's ready. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Base Kitchen. See you next time.